guys, don't know if you can see up there. Can you see that tawny owl? He's a beauty. Leaves are in the way. Actually caught me tawny owl on camera. Shows your face, dude. What a beauty. Actually caught him in the trees. Been trying to video this guy for ages. Sorry guys. Let's try and get a better shot of him for you. An absolute beauty. And there he is. British tawny owl. What an awesome creature. He's seen me. Right there, big guy. This is the Wildman. Thank you so much for letting me video you. I'm so grateful. There's a lot of gunfire going on in the background. I think it spooked him a bit. Beautiful British tawny owl. Sorry guys, I've got a different camera. This isn't my usual camera for videoing wildlife. This is actually my YouTube camera. Just wish I had a steadier hand. But he's a beauty nonetheless. Hey big guy. No harm. Just a Wildman out on manoeuvres. Their eyes aren't very good in daylight. He's getting bolted. And there he goes. Hope you enjoyed that little piece of nature, guys. So glad I actually captured him. On my usual wander through the woods, looking for nature. So I've had my barn owl, and now I've actually caught my British tawny owl on camera. You can't get much better than that. All you've got to do, guys, is take your time out in nature. Just stand and watch, listen and learn. Everything's out there. You don't have to be a wildlife expert. All you have to do. See him go, guys. You see him go? There he goes. I don't know if I caught that on camera. Awesome. With the Wildarmy, videoing everything from wildlife, a bit of foraging, a bit of urban exploring, a bit of old world history exploring. You never know what you're going to find. The little wildlife bits are just a bonus, really. I'm always looking for truth nuggets. There's quite a lot of truth nuggets in this area. But I come out to video me tawny owl and I succeeded. I think he actually let me video him. So Mr. Owl, you're actually a YouTube star now. You can go down in history with Mr. Barn Owl, Kingfisher and the other wildlife I video. Look at this, guys. Where would you rather be? Yeah, you could be on a beach somewhere. But I like to be in the undergrowth. This is my world. This is Wildman on Manouvers for the Wildarmy. Hope you enjoyed the little video, guys. Sorry I'm being quiet, but we got there. Thank you so much. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Big love to you all. If you like my videos, don't forget to give a like, share and a subscribe. I think the subscribe button's down here. Could be down here. But press the subs, guys, it costs nothing. Helps me channel. Hopefully we'll find some more gifts from nature. Take care of each other, guys. This is the Wildman signing out for the Wildarmy. Wildarmy. Oi oi.